Hello everyone. What did you get for double points last week? I'll show you what I got. Now first up, I'll show you this VIP thing. I took the glass off just so there wasn't a glare. And what this is, first edition print, British patent, 1968. So you can kind of see some of the different figures and stuff from the patent. It does have this embossed, or not embossed, I guess stamped in logo here just to prove it's from Lego. I think this was 650 points. It might have been 150, I'm not sure. I got a couple of them just because there's nothing else right now to spend, points on, other than, $5, $10, $20, $100 off. I've done that recently too, but I'm still waiting for something big. Who knows, maybe all the coins that are out there might pop up all at one time, or like last year, the Mickey and Minnie set that's $179, it popped up for whatever this equal dollar value in points were. So, something big might pop up, so I'm kind of hopeful on that. But let's get into it. So what did I get? I got 3 of them. Let's do an unboxing here. If you're not going to get this set, it might be interesting just to see what's even in this set. So, I haven't opened anything out of it, and you get these little tabs. You can move these back for your manual, and the manual covers, here we go, all 3 of the builds. You build 1 per box, but as you can tell, the reason I bought 3, I want to build the big Ironman, which I don't even know if it's even included in this. Here's all the others. I don't even think it, okay, here it is. There's what I'm going to build. It's all 3 sets, and you're supposed to have a ton of pieces left over. So what my thinking is, I'm curious if I will have enough extra pieces to build one of these. Now granted, I won't have the base and the backing, all this stuff to hang it, but I have enough black plates, and I'm curious if I could just use a 48 by 48 gray base plate, cover it with black just to get this black background, and then just lean it up against something, or even put it on an easel or something like that, or like a picture frame display holder. So I'm curious to see that once I get this built, how many pieces I have left. And I have a lot of pieces in my collection. If I have to, get a few here and there just to piece it together to finish it, but I'm pretty confident I might be able to do that. Now I did go on Bricks and Pieces and look up what these pieces cost. 9 of those big ones, a few of the plates, these special pieces here that are made to put the nail in to hang it on the wall. And I think a couple bricks, I think it ended up being like $40, $42 or something like that after tax for just these, just to get this basic building surface. So these are 119 regularly, double points, plus using e-baits, or I guess it's Rakatoon now, you get 2.5% cash back. So, I didn't do too bad for trying to save as much and get as much cash back and points value as you can. I guess you get $12 off, or $12 back in points if you did double points on this. So there's what the directions look like. You just get a panel basically, and it shows where the panel is, and you just start building. So the one bad thing, you don't get a copy of that in here. There's no booklet. You have to scan the QR code, or what a lot of people don't know, you go on Lego's website, go to this site or set, scroll down to the bottom, there's a thing that says directions or something like that, or online directions, and this actual set to build is online. So you can just use your laptop instead of what I hear people complaining, I had to use my phone to build this, or I had to use my iPad or my tablet. No, you can just use your plugged in laptop or desktop. Just pull it up on a PDF file, and that way it never shuts off. The battery doesn't die. You can just plug it into the wall. You don't have to worry about it. And you have a lot bigger screen. So, you know, I have like a 15 or 16 inch screen on my laptop, which is way bigger than an iPad. So that's what I plan on using to build this set. So let's get into this. I'll take this out. Sorry if there's a glare, guys. So there's our pieces for our frame. Let's see. There's those new pieces that are made. Basically put the nail in. Just put your nail in that. That way it hangs on the wall. More pieces for our outer frame. Let's see, what do we have in this box? This box must be all of, I guess it's, so it is sealed here. It must be all of, yep, all of the building plates. It looks like there's 9 of them in here that we're going to use, and they're snapped together really good. So yeah, there's what we build on. The directions, you know, for those smaller sets, they're pretty simple. You just get this, here's your page, fill the colors, count the dots, and move on to the next one. And then all your Technic pins basically pin all these together to make it semi-easy to put together. So let's look at all the different colors. A little bag, the light bluish gray. A larger bag, those are dark brown. A lot of gold. I heard you get a lot of extra gold, and several of these colors are massively extras whenever you do the larger set, like I'm planning on doing. Okay, there's our dark bluish gray. Let's see what color is that? A reddish. I don't even know what color that's under. There's our tan, our white, red, dark red, so brown, a reddish brown, and dark brown. Let's see, there's a nougat color, our dark bluish gray. That's for basically your background. Our dark tan, sand blue. It's hard to tell between, you know, looking at gray and sand blue. And then a ton of black, which is mostly for the background. So yeah, we get this much in each set. And I think this set has 3,167 pieces. So probably plus one of each of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 extra plates, or 14 extra 1x1 studs. Plus a pin, maybe, I don't know, 1 or 2 of these small pieces. So, you know, we're just over, you know, 3180. Plus. So 3 of these combined, you know, we're close to 9,500 total pieces. But I'm curious how many of these actually are covered in this. We do get the little Ironman piece here. Let's see if I can find that. I didn't notice it offhand in here. It's got to be in one of these 2. There's only 2 bags. So let's just open up one of these bags. And we'll look at the new so I finally found it. One thing I was looking for is the new brick separator. So you can do 4 at one time. And then basically just pop a bunch of these off at one time. You know, if you wanted to build one, take it apart, build the others. You spend more time taking the things apart, I think, than you do putting the whole thing together. One thing to note, these are all studs with the newer ones. I think the Mickey ones, those are all 1x1 tiles. I don't know why they chose one over the other and just didn't, you know, uniform across the board. I'd have probably rather had the tiles for this one, but who knows? Maybe it looks better one way or another. Here's our piece. So we've got this 1x1 or 2x4 printed tile. It's the only print piece in this whole set. No stickers, obviously. Last thing to look at, I'll move this back. We'll just pop another box up here. Here's the back. And you can see hanging on the wall or whatever, that is not what I'm gonna do. That is a cluster mess that I'm sure anybody that's stupid enough to do that would surely regret in about 2 minutes. So I will be separating all of mine in different little cups, or I don't know, Gladware, Tupperware, just little bowls even, just to where it's a lot easier to deal with. But yeah, there's how we build. That's what I got, 3 on double points day. I've been waiting for this for a while. I kind of almost talked myself out of it. And then saw double points and, you know, watching other people's videos, and I'm just like, man, I really should, because it's something I really want. I could make it happen. I could pull it off. And just, I guess, regret it and pay for it later. And just maybe do without for a while once I get this built. Yeah. Am I saving the boxes? No. You know, once you get to be a certain age and you start realizing you can't collect everything, boxes just get in the way. Do I ever plan on selling this? No. If I did, I'd sell the whole thing as one piece, and it's like, who cares about the box? You know, I'm gonna probably, the directions, I'm gonna have 3 of those. And it's, you know, what are you gonna do with 3 directions? So I'll probably save the directions, but yeah, not the boxes. The one bad thing, you know, the set, it's too big to fit in here, so you can't, you know, if you build this, it's not going to fit in this box. Why Lego didn't just make the box a little bit bigger, I don't know. But that's what we got for today, guys. I just wanted to show you what I got in double points week. Tell me what you got. You know, did you wait? Are you going to wait for Star Wars? Are you going to wait for October, during Bricktober, during the next double points time for regular non-Star Wars stuff? Or are you going to wait for, you know, VIP weekend the week before Black Friday, which would be the next time double points is? So we've got 2 more for the rest of the year on non-Star Wars stuff, at least. You know, in the past 2 years ago, there was a double points in, I think, July. I think I ended up buying the corner garage at that point. And the Mickey's Steamboat Willie that I ended up giving to my mom because she's a big Disney and Minnie Mouse fan. So who knows, we might get 3 more double points weekends or weeks. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.